Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and we're in March, almost to the middle of March now. So it means time to get a little bit of gardening done. And I'm really a little behind right now. As you can tell, the garden's kind of a mess, but I've got one bed set up. Got a few work trips, so I was going to put it off. But lettuce and broccoli and some of the cool season vegetables really needed to get in. And so I've got a automatic water set up with it. I was going to show you. I think I did a video on it last year when we were first starting out, and tried it again this year because last year it really helped out. So basically what I've done is this bed, it kind of, the dirt had kind of sagged down a little bit over the winter and the summer last year. So I have topsoil and compost that I put in. And I've got some lettuce, I've got spinach, I've got some broccoli down here that I got planted, and you see my lines going all over. And it's a drip irrigation system. It's solar powered. I've got a barrel here because last year when I was doing it, you can kind of see over there the white bucket. I was using a 5-gallon bucket, and it worked good, but about every 2 days I had to refill the bucket. And with all these work trips, I just wanted to make sure everything was good to go. So in the barrel, you have 2 things down in there. If I can pull this all out. You have the strainer and your line that is going to the pump. And then this is a little probe way down in there. There we go. These little probes, they detect the water. And if it gets low, then it starts beeping to tell you you're low on water. And other than that, the kit comes with line, a whole lot of line, these little stakes, and these little elbows, these little, or 3-way, whatever you want to call them. I guess it's not an elbow. And I've got most of it done. I'm doing a little more, but basically you've got a line coming out from your pump, and you just kind of daisy chain it. Each one goes to one of these elbows, which is then going to go to another elbow on one side, and then it's going to go to one of these spikes that's in, and it's just going to pump water. I usually set these up to do it in the morning and at night to make sure they get plenty of water. And as you can see, I got each of these going. I've got a few more left to do. I ran out of stakes and elbows, so I bought a kit with these where you get more of them. And I'll put the links both to this and to the extension pack down in the comment section, or at least the Amazon link. I've seen these on Temu, I've seen them on eBay. You can get them a lot of different places. I just happened to pick these up off of Amazon, and they worked great for me last year. So just wanted to share that with you. It's March if you're in the Midwest. It's a good time for gardening. A lot of lettuce and spinach and broccoli. If you get a little bit of a frost, can take it. I played around with it last year, and we had a great crop of lettuce and broccoli and a few others, so I'm getting them in now. So it's Matt with McGee Farms. Stay tuned. You're going to see a lot more gardening. And you know, last year we put the tanks in with crawfish and shrimp and a lot of different water creatures into the garden. We're going to be adding those here in a couple of months as well. But if you do like the videos and you're into gardening or other farm stuff like we are, the homesteading lifestyle, please consider giving us a thumbs up on this video or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.